Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian and in today's video I will show you how we can add people to our renders made from ArchiCAD in VizMaker. And now, how we can do this. So first of all, I already uploaded my images from ArchiCAD inside of VizMaker. And now I created photorealistic images, enchant them. So I enchant some textures and already enchant light, and those are already upscaled. And now we gotta press left mouse button on this image. We can choose resolution, we can choose Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. Those are the best engines to generate people. And now we can scroll all the way down right over in here and we can add people or we can add blurred people. And for each of those images, I guess we can do both of those. So for the first one, I will do add people to the image and then add blurred people to the image. And we can do this for all of those images. And how we can be even more specific. So let's say that I would like to add people in specific areas. So we can enlarge this window right over here. We can still use this preset and we can use draw tool. And I would like to have a person which is sitting right over in here, and we can also add someone right over in there. And here we can just change this preset into add people to the image in marked in red area. And yeah, it will just add people to those areas and we will see if it actually does this. And now we can also copy this part right over in here and we can switch it to blurred people. And now we can copy it and press make once again. And now we already got some of our results. So let's compare A and compare B for the first one. Those are just regular people sitting right over in there. And yeah, quality in here and light on those people, for me, it looks very good. Obviously, we could upscale it once again so that those details on people's faces will be much better. Let's see blurred people now. And let's compare A and compare B right over in here. And yeah, to add some more emotions, to add some more life to our renders, that is a great way. And it is also adapting light to those images. So we can see shadow from this person right over in here. And let's check out the results. And let's compare A and compare B for that one. And now it is looking more natural. Also, it is adapting size of people and it understands how big is space. So they are not oversized or too small. And let's see blurred people. So I'll just compare B, enlarge the window. In here, it is showcasing, let's say that this part has, this part of a building has even more life. So there are many people walking very fast. So it's like a very nice time lapse to show it. And let's see how it did with adding people into specific areas. Yeah, we got a person right over in here as I wanted. There's also a guy sitting right here and a person sitting right over in there. It added a person right here, which was quite expected. That is not gonna listen that much, but in overall, I like the output quite a lot. And let's see blurred people now. Yeah, it added a person right here, right there, and right over in here. But because I used blurred people, that means they are gonna be in motion, they are not sitting. So that's the outcome that I wanted to have. And what else we could do with those images? We could also use preset which is activity close-up. So let's see this one. And it should zoom on those people and what they are doing. Let's try it for that one too. And for this one right over in here. And we gotta wait a little bit for those results to be processed. And we already got a first result, so let's enlarge it and take a look. It didn't change people. Those people in the background are the same. Those people in the foreground are also the same. And it did enhance detail of it. So actually those chairs now looks pretty much very good. Like textures are super detailed. Also those people, we could obviously do an upscale of it, but we can take a look at the background once again. So those lamp didn't change, any material didn't change. And we got a TV right over in here. And that's just a great way to show our project in a bigger detail, in a higher perspective, with just one simple preset. And let's take a look at the other results. And in here, we also got a close-up. In this case, we got some books with notes. So those people are most likely students. And we can compare it to what we got here. And those people are, again, the same. And camera is quite interesting. Maybe it is not showcasing the architecture that much, but in overall, as just showing the life in a project, it is very nice. And let's see the last result. And in here, it could be better, I can already tell you, but it also adds some value. So actually, we can show that this office has some life in it, and there is a person coming with a plan. So those are most likely architectures. This guy is some sort of a project manager. That's a great way to showcase your project. That's also a simplified way how we can add people to our interior from ArchiCAD in VizMaker. Those are all of the steps what we should do. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to VizMaker YouTube channel. You can download VizMaker directly from the link in the description for free. See you in the next one.